Hi, I'm Anton. Today is day 36 of the daily crypto installment program. As usual, I paid in installments: Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. Well, you can see the recording. I made the transaction on February 15th, 2025. Today, I want to discuss a very important topic, especially for beginners, and GT. Can Bitcoin be stolen? The answer: the Bitcoin itself can't be stolen, but access to it can be. Bitcoin is stored on a highly secure blockchain network, but access to our wallets relies on a private key. An analogy: Bitcoin is like money in a safe. The safe is super strong, it can't be broken into. But if you give the key to the safe to someone else, well, it's gone. I once heard a true story. Someone had been saving Bitcoin since 2013, and it's now worth billions. But they forgot their wallet password. They can't open it to this day, and they can't do anything with their money. So the key is, don't give your private key to anyone. Don't click on random links that could steal your data. Keep your password backup in a safe place. If you're helping your parents or retirees learn about crypto, make sure they understand the importance of maintaining wallet access. See you in tomorrow's Ethereum video.